Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have permission to record and that you're on the Teams desktop app. Once in the meeting, join with audio and video as needed. Click More Actions, then start recording. You'll see a banner and meeting chat notification. This tells participants recording is active. Make sure to inform attendees verbally because consent matters. Once done, keep an eye on the red REC indicator so you know the session is actually being captured before proceeding to pause steps. You pause recording by opening More Actions while the red REC is visible. Choose Pause Recording from the menu. Doing this stops the active capture but keeps the meeting running and chat intact, so sensitive discussion can be excluded. Once paused, the indicator changes and the recording file isn't finalized until you stop it. Make sure to resume when ready. Click More Actions, right arrow Resume Recording, because pausing creates gaps, not separate files, which affects editing later. You finish by selecting More Actions, then stop recording. Teams finalizes and uploads the file. Once processed, access it from the meeting chat or your OneDrive/SharePoint folder. If you need to pause then stop, remember pauses insert gaps but do not produce multiple files. If the recording is missing, verify you were meeting organizer or had permission, check tenant retention policies, and confirm storage quota. If issues persist, sign out and back in, or ask IT to check compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.